How's it going? This is Chuck at CMA's Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Martinsburg. Today we're going to take a look at the Sun and Sound package Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. So first you look at it, you might be thinking, well, that's just a Sport with some Sahara wheels. That's kind of what it looks like, but there's some important features on it that definitely make it different. And let me show you what. First thing is, comes with the 8.4-inch screen, navigation, has a subwoofer in the back. But the thing that really makes a difference is the one-touch skytop. You see, that definitely, it's pretty convenient. This one button puts it down. Nice thing, you can just close it if it starts to rain when you're going down the road. And that's the big difference. Hopefully you enjoyed today's quick video. Give me a call at 304-263-8821. This is Chuck at CMA Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Martinsburg. Have a great day. Bye.